Okay, so you can see here I've got my 4 basic shapes. One suggestion that I have for you is that you create a construction point. So this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth tool down, and I'm going to select the first option, and where the center is of each design I'm just going to draw a dot, and this is useful for all of the things that we're going to be doing. Okay, so whichever design you selected, you can create a dot like so. So that just shows us where the center is. So I'm now going to create some designs that focus on using a line. Now we can use this on any of the shapes, but I'm going to illustrate this on the circle tool. So I have started my line at 12 o'clock, finish it at 6. I'm going to go to the delete line tool. So I hold that down and go for the second option, which is delete part of an object between the nearest 2 intersections. Now this is one of the most commonly used delete tools, and what that does is it trims my line up. One of the things that I forgot to say is you are going to need a second circle on any of the shapes that you use, which is 15 millimeters in radius. So to do that, I'll show you one more time. I just go to the second tool. I would change it to 15 millimeters. Press OK. What I'm then going to do is where the center of the circle is, I'm going to create a second circle. And whatever shape you're going to do, you will still need to create that second circle. So I've created my line from 12 till 6, and now what I'm going to do is select that line using the select tool, go to transform, and in this case I'm going to do a series of lines which are 30 degrees apart. I will press a number of repeats. In this case I'm going to have 6, and I'm going to press OK. I then have to tell the computer where I want the center of that transformation to be, which is the center of the circle, and I click on the mouse one more time, and that gives me this webbed effect. So what I can then do is delete these center lines. Now this area in the center is where the candle is actually going to eventually sit. So that I can use this as the basis for a wide variety of designs, and you can use this principle on any of the shapes that we've got here, from the octagon to the hexagon to the square.